What's up? Welcome to Beat on Media. Today we're playing Fortnite on the Samsung S9 Plus. Don't mind that, that's just initial D in the back. Apparently this is how you play it. Literally, I've only turned this on 2 or 3 times, but it takes so long to play it that I just kind of get sidetracked. Okay. So this is Axe. Wait, I'm launching in 9 seconds? What does that mean? I'm just gonna start running for this crazy looking butt. The door will open in 6 seconds. What in the flip is going on here? What is this thing? What in the... What the hell? Okay. Oh, this is insane. Okay, so they just... Alright, so let's see here. Where's the town? Where's the town? Where's the town? Where's the town? Okay. Let's go that way. Cool. Okay, so I don't know how to do this. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's going on. I know that somebody's trying to shoot at me. I don't apparently have a gun. Wish Nikes. Okay. Look at that, I got eliminated by bro 5 or whatever. Okay, so what happens? No. Well, guys, at this point, I don't have any idea what happens. It's a big map. Anywhere I select, it doesn't really let me. I don't know why I'm watching this guy. Oh, return to lobby. I got to see the guy that killed me get killed. Okay then, the clip is going to be me knowing what I'm doing. Thank you. Okay. Well, I was doing really good. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Well, y'all got to see the first time that I've ever got slaughtered. And, I guess the next one will be up, next. I just got annihilated by a dude with a dog in his backpack. You've got to be kidding me. He's dressed like a football player.
Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. This was a fun little video. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below. And make sure to check out the rest of the videos on the channel, because this is a first for me. I enjoyed it. Let me know what you think.